now I'm going to put on the front brakes. I got a pair of brand new rotors, Napa 0352. There we go. Alright, I put a couple of lug nuts just to hold it in place temporarily. Got both sides on. We got the Ray Bestos WK1769. This is the rubber seals. Go in the caliper here. It's just got these two seals in it and the little rubber cap probably for the bleeder valve. I don't really need it. My old cap is good. I'll just set it aside. I got the parts all cleaned up. The little piston. These guys, I took these apart and cleaned them up and greased the inside. On this little rubber ring, I want to put a little brake fluid on these rubber parts. Just fits right in the groove inside the caliper here. Push it in there with my finger. Straight. There you go. And it just popped right into place there. There you can see it. Alright, next is this seal. I also rubbed a little bit of brake fluid. Now I need this outside lip to go in the groove around the edge here, and this inside lip fits in the piston groove right there. So what I want to do, slide this rubber thing over the piston, and then I need to get it oriented. I want this outer lip here to be just over the edge of the end of the piston. So I should be able to slide that in the groove. Now the piston should slide in. Make sure that the front lip is sealed into the other groove. It's all the way in there. It should be good. Alright, next I want to put these clips on. These are Ray Bestos H15745A. And these clips just slide right on here. The bottoms, slide the top piece under there, and then push the bottom up and push the top in. There we go. They fit right in under these little lips right here, just like that. The other side, yeah, that's on, just like that. Next, I'm just going to put these pins in. I have them all greased already. They just slide into these holes, and the little boot pops over the edge. There we go. Like that. Take that little screw out right now. Put the other one in on the other side. Pop the little boot over the edge. There we go. Take that screw out. Bolt. Okay. Test them, make sure they work. Seems good. And now we're just going to put this on here. Line up those holes. They have flat sides to help line them up. And then put the bolts in each side. Alright, now I'm going to snug these two up nice and tight. Not too tight. Okay, I have these two bolts here tightened up. Tested. I'm using C-Tac brake pads, 102-05560. Each pair of brake pads, these ones are nice because the metal part's already connected. So they have one of the pair has this tab sticking out, the other one doesn't. So the tab sticking out goes in first. Set them down in here. Yeah, slide that back, then hold the bottom and then push the top in. Got it. Alright, then the other one that doesn't have the thing sticking out this way. Get it lined up. There, we got the bottom in. Now I should be able to push the top in. Okay. Alright, I got those pads in. Now I got a new hydraulic hose to put on. This is the front left one. The front left one is Centric 150-48014. I also have the front right hydraulic hose. The right side is different. So it's 150-48015. You know if it's left or right because right on the brake it has a big L for left and the other one has a R for right. Nice of them to include the banjo washers in with the hydraulic hose. Slide a washer on here. Slide in the banjo fitting. Slide the other washer on. It fits right down in that groove right there. Snug that down nice and tight. That should be good. Just need to be tight enough to compress those copper washers a little bit. Okay, put the left side on here. Have the two big bolts that hold the brakes on. These two bolts screw in the back side here. Alright, now I just need to tighten those two bolts down. Make sure these guys are good and tight because you don't want them coming out. I actually had that happen. Okay, now let's clip this hose on. This front one here, you got to pull it around and slide it into that groove there. It has a couple of bumps here and flat sides. There we go, like that. Once it's in place right here, then this clip goes in like that. Get the clip started with your finger and then just tap it in like that. That one's good. Okay, this next upper one here looks like it goes on the bottom here and you have to twist it a little bit. Get that thing in like that. Then push this clip on here. There we go, and that one's on. This end I'll just leave for now. The right side is, everything's pretty much exactly the same. So I've got it bolted on there, tightened down. Got a little bit of drag, I can hear it in there. It's good. Bring this hose over here. It has a little bumper there to protect it from that bolt. And we have a clip here and a clip here. Need to go on just like the other side. Get the clip started. Tap it in there. There we go. And then this one. In there. And that's good.